2022 Chevrolet Malibu LT forward mineral gray metallic no-charge lifetime powertrain warranty, provides protection for as long as you own the car to the key component groups essential to keeping your vehicle running: the engine, transmission/transfer case/all-wheel drive assembly, and drivetrain assembly.service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000-mile synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG Advanced Formula W/MOA-Stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive, replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter, helps with allergies, new wiper blades, balance and rotate tires, brake fluid service, replaced all oil fluid, 4-wheel computerized alignment, 18 bright machined aluminum wheels, heated seats, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. 2936 City/Highway MPG.